Previously in iOS, to send a photo that was already saved in your photo library, you would need to tap the camera icon and then jump into your photos. Now in iOS 12, the Effects button has taken this space. So rather than using the camera button, we now have an iMessage app for photos right here. If your iMessage apps aren't visible, tap the Apps button here to switch between the Apps browser and predictive text above the keyboard. When I tap the Photos iMessage app, we can then swipe through recent photos or tap on All Photos to browse all our moments, media types, and albums. Just tap on an image to view it, and then tap Choose to add it into the message. This new method of sending images in the Messages app will feel foreign at first for those of us that have been used to tapping on the camera icon to send an image or video. But using the Photos button to send from Photos makes more sense than doing that from the camera button, where you can also take a photo. So this might take a bit of getting used to, but it's a positive change in the long run.